In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Instacart. If you've ever run into an issue with your Instacart order, knowing how to request a refund can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive into the steps to ensure you get your money back or account credit when something goes amiss. To start off, open the Instacart app on your device or log into the website through your browser. Once you've successfully logged in and find yourself on the main page, head over to the bottom right corner of your screen to locate the Accounts tab. This is where you'll begin your journey to solve any order-related mishaps. After clicking on Accounts, you're going to need to navigate to the Help Center. It's typically found under the Help or Customer Support sections, providing various forms of assistance from frequently asked questions to a way of contacting support directly if needed. Here's where you can access the necessary tools for filing a report on any problems you may have encountered with your recent order. Having accessed the Help Center, the next step involves reporting the specific issue with your order. You'll find the option to select the particular order experiencing the problem. Once you've located it, click on Report a Problem. Here, Instacart will present you with a menu of potential issues such as missing items, damaged goods, or incorrect products. Choose the option that most accurately describes the issue you've encountered. Now that you've reported your order issue, Instacart gives you a couple of options. You can either request a refund or choose to receive Instacart account credit. At this stage, it's entirely dependent on your preference. If you need that exact dollar amount back into your account quickly or prefer it as credit for your future shopping, both routes are made available. Lastly, it's essential to monitor the status of your refund or credit request. Keep in mind you have up to 7 days from the delivery date to report any issues and request your reimbursement. An important note here is that same-day refunds are actually adjustments to your original charge. This means they won't appear as a separate line item on your statements, so don't panic if you don't see a new entry. For some orders, there's even the option to return items directly to the store, especially for specific types, such as EBT or items that are eligible for Medicare. There you have it. With these steps, you can confidently tackle any issues with your Instacart orders. Always remember, if there's something specific not covered in the help documentation, reaching out to Instacart Customer Experience is a good bet for detailed guidance or clarifications. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.